Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, you will learn how to insert YouTube video in MS Word 2013, 16, and 19. If you want to insert YouTube video in MS Word document, first go to Insert tab and find Online Video in Media Group. As is the option available, click on the online video. Dialog box will appear. It will show you two options: YouTube and common video embed code. If you have an embedded code that you have already got from the YouTube, you can embed from here. If you don't have embedded code, then you can search the topic from here. Type the topic, for example, latest technology. It will give you several videos available on the YouTube. Or you can select any kind of video from here. For example, I want to insert this video. Select the video and click on insert button. Now the video has inserted here. You can move your video as you like. You can resize the video, make it smaller or bigger, and you can also crop the video. Go to the format option to apply some formatting options, then go to crop, click on the crop, and you can remove this blackish tile. Click outside the video, it will remove the blackish option. You can also apply some style from here. Several styles are available. You can apply any style. For example, I want to apply this style. Select it. Now click on the play button to play the video. It is necessary that you have internet. Without internet, it will not play. Click on play. Play the video. Uh, so in this manner, you can insert video in the MS Word document. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.